Hi everyone, it's Heather from My Blue Desk. I'm going to share with you a process that I'm going through at the moment as I'm in the process of creating some moth folk art. I start off with my sketchbook, so I've just done a few basic sketches. You can see they're sort of half moths because I'm actually going to use the symmetry tool on Procreate. So what I do is take a photo of my sketch, upload it to Procreate on my iPad, then I set the symmetry, as you can see there, and my photo of my sketchbook is behind there, and I'll set that on a different layer to a sort of loosely transparent colour so that I can then draw over the top. So I'm actually using my own sketch to trace over. Now I say trace, it's not going to be exact because sometimes, you know, artistic license, although I did the original sketch myself, I sometimes want to change it slightly when it's on the iPad, and the iPad makes it very, very easy to do that. So it's actually a nice little cheat when you're producing artwork, particularly if you want it to be fairly symmetrical, like folk art often is. So I thought it'd be a great way to do this. So there you can see some of the images that I did earlier, and I printed some of those off. They're actually available as a download on my Etsy store, but I've done myself a background colouring page. So at the moment here, I've just picked some colours and I'm going to go and watercolour basically my background sheet. So this is just to give me a bit of inspiration, because at some point I'm hoping to turn these illustrations into some textile art. So I've already got some velvet ordered, and I'm just trying out some colours that I think look particularly nice. So I'm just sort of getting my juices flowing, and that's what I'm doing here. And it's very relaxing. It's sort of adult colouring, which I don't know whether you guys like, but I really enjoy sort of making my own art in order to be able to colour it in. I'm not the best colourist in the world, to be honest. I prefer painting and drawing my own images rather than colouring in people's colouring books, because I don't think I'm the best at doing that. I'm sort of better working from my own imagination. So I hope you enjoyed seeing the process that I go through. I don't always do the same thing. I don't always use Procreate. Sometimes I start off in Procreate, and sometimes I'll just paint directly onto a page, just depending on how I feel. But I thought you might like to see how it works, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care. Bye.